When buying your first home, you'll want to explore every financing option to discover which one will fit your needs. One option you should strongly consider is an FHA 203K renovation loan. There are at least 3 benefits to buying and renovating a home with an FHA 203K loan compared to getting one that's ready to move in. First, you can expand your search by adding homes that need upgrades or repairs. This gives you a better chance at homeownership while letting you focus more on your dream neighborhood instead of the home itself, which you can renovate before you even move in. Second, the renovation process allows you to add your personal touch with each upgrade. An FHA 203K loan can cover improvements such as kitchen and bathroom remodels, carpet and flooring upgrades, as well as roof replacements and some landscaping. Each change gives you a chance to add your style to your home. Third, buying and renovating may save you some money. That's because a home in need of repairs is often much less expensive than one that's ready to move in. In addition, purchase and renovation loans are handled together, so there's only one set of closing costs. These benefits make an FHA 203K loan an excellent option for first-time homebuyers. Other benefits include low down payment options and flexible credit and debt requirements. If you're thinking about getting your first home, let's talk about how a 203K loan can help you get there on your terms. Contact us today to get started.